This is Junwen Jiang. In this video, I'm gonna quickly walk you through how our cell make proteins using transcription and translation. It sounds complicated, but once you see the flow, DNA to mRNA to protein, it actually makes a lot of sense. Let's break it down step by step. So why do we even care about protein synthesis? Well, protein basically do everything in our body. They build up muscle, act as enzyme, hormones, and literally everything. To make them, our cell follows something called central dogma. First, DNA gets copied into mRNA. That's transcription. Then, the mRNA gets turned into a protein. That's translation. 2 steps, 2 location, and 1 goal. Making protein. Transcription happens in nucleus. An enzyme called RNA polymers land on the DNA and use one strand as a template to build an mRNA strand. But the mRNA isn't ready yet. It needs a little makeover. It gets a 5 cap, a poly A tail, and the useless part called intron gets cut out. Now the mRNA is clean and ready to leave the nucleus. Easiest way to picture this is that the DNA is like a master recipe book that's not allowed to leave the library, which is the nucleus. So instead of taking the whole book out, you photocopy one recipe you need. That photocopy is your mRNA, a portable version you can use outside. Once the mRNA leaves the nucleus, it meets the ribosome, which works like a little machine. The ribosome reads the mRNA in sets of 3 bases called codon. Each codon matches a tRNA carrying a specific amino acid. The ribosome starts at AUG, the start codon, and then just keeps adding amino acid one by one until it hits a stop signal. That growing chain becomes a protein. Think of the ribosome like a kitchen. The mRNA is the recipe you brought. The amino acids are your ingredients. And the tRNA, that's like Uber Eats. It brings exactly the right ingredients at the right time. The ribosome follows the recipe and builds the final dish, which is your protein. So, DNA stays safe in the nucleus. Transcription makes an mRNA copy. Translation happens at the ribosome and turns that mRNA into a chain of amino acid, which is protein. That's literally happening in your cell right now while you're watching this video. And that's all for this video, and thank you very much.